Hello from another fantastic beach location in Stockholm region. Today, on this wonderful 25th of July, I am here on a wonderful sunny evening in Lidingö, and this is Käppalabadet. Super nice beach that has quite huge rocky and grass area and beautiful small sandy part as well. This beach is located in the area called Käppala, and in order to get here you have several possibilities. Myself, I came here from central Stockholm, from Strömkajen. I took the boat, which is the ferry boat that's included in the public transport system, number 83, that goes all the way to Lidingö in Vaxholm, but it makes few stops, and it stops at Gåshaga, which is on the Lidingö island, and from there you can either walk for 15 minutes or take the tram, light tram, for 2 stations to Käppala and then walk again for 15 minutes anyway. But with the light tram you can also come here from Ropsten. Right now the light train is under maintenance between Ropsten and Bageby, I think, so that part of the journey you must take the bus. But from Ropsten to Käppala it's around 20 minutes tram ride plus 10 minutes walk. And yes, we are on beach day number 92 on my Sweden beach adventures. And earlier today I also made a 1 kilometer swim in Hornsberg, but I told you I'm gonna visit also a fantastic beach location later in the evening. So this is it, and it has been raining half an hour ago, so that's why there is nobody on the beach. I think everyone went home. But yes, there is nobody on the beach. I'm the only person. And this beach is out on the Baltic Sea, and in this area over here there are passing many boats, smaller ferry boats, but also the bigger ones that will take you to Finland, Latvia and Estonia. There are boat ferries here that travel from Silja line and also from Viking line. And that on the other end is Telegrafberget. The boat stopped also there. It is a new neighborhood over there with newly built buildings right on the sea. It's amazing. So you can see the beach right now, and it's quite amazing. And this is actually the second beach in Lidingö I visited this year. The first one I visited yesterday, actually. It was Käppalabadet, and for me to get there I also took the boat, because Lidingö, it's quite a huge island and there are different boats actually that will take you to different parts. But obviously the island is connected to Stockholm mainland by bridge that you can take by either the light rail or the buses, and then you can connect in Ropsten with the tunnelbana or the metro line, the red line. So yes, let's then check out the beach once again. I think it's so beautiful. It's so beautiful. I especially love the beach, the rocky parts of the beach on the sides. And there are also some rocks over there on the other end. Water itself, there are some seaweeds I see here. But let's check out also the rocks over there, if we can dive in directly in the deep water so we can escape the seaweed that came from the sea. And this sand over here is super nice and soft. It's amazing. Here we go. This is my favorite type of beaches. Oops. I almost fell. It was super slippery. Yes. All right. Oh, this looks nice over here. Wow. and you can see the whole beach from here. And you have here also evening sun, or as we say it in Sweden, kvällssol. All right, this is also looks a bit slippery. So let's see where can we embark into the water safely. All right, I think we can hop on here. I hope it's not too slippery. I could have used also the entrance from the sand, but why make things easy when things can be complicated? Just kidding. Just kidding. Okay, cool. All right, so we are very soon diving in. The water is quite chilly, to be fair. It is chilly because of the rain, I suppose. But beautiful, beautiful view all around. Super amazing. Look at that. And on this island, Lidingö, there are also many rich people that live here, that have beautiful houses that are overlooking the sea. So lucky them. But yes, that was all for this episode from my swim in Käppalabadet in Lidingö, the second beach in Lidingö I visit this year. So hope you enjoyed, and stay tuned for more beach adventures on my channel. Beach Adventures with Chris!